So, good morning sa lahat. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa opening ng Zuzu Dim Sum, and we're with the owner, Sir William. So, nice to meet you, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, sir, first branch ba to or pang ilang branch na po?
Actually, it's our second branch. So, yung first branch namin is in Mandaluyong. So, that first branch has been for 20 years na.
Wow.
So, this second branch is thankfully here at SM Mall of Asia. And sana ito yung sign na tuloy-tuloy pa tayo.
Okay, so in here, ano po yung pinaka-specialty food nyo na pag babalik-balikan ng mga tao?
So actually, aside from retaining some of our best sellers, the one in Mandaluyong, we added some new dishes. For example, yung salted egg lava buns. So that's part of our dim sum slash dessert. Tapos meron din tayong a couple of seafood dishes katulad ng fried pampano with basil, which yun yung i-serve namin today. As well as we also have salted egg prawns. So isa rin yung bagong dish na we're launching here, and eventually will also be available in Mandaluyong.
Wow, very nice. Ang pamba nun, sarap niyan. So, sir, why nga pala Susu? Ano po ibig sabihin ng name?
So actually, Suzhou is a
Suzhou.
city in China.
Okay.
So dun yung inspiration ng name. So of course, it starts there. Tapos yung cuisine is inspired there. But eventually, we also took inspiration from the rest of parts of China, Hong Kong, Taiwan.
Okay. So, ayun. Sir, so ano naman po mga masasabi niyo sa mga viewers natin na like invite them po to come here.
Sa mga viewers po, maraming salamat sa pag-support, and we look forward to see you here at Suzhou Dim Sum SM Mall of Asia.
So guys, thank you for watching. Pasok tayo.
Can you speak Chinese, Mandarin? Or...
Hindi po.
不会讲. Okay. Yeah, that's,
Pareho tayo.
that's good.
Picture lang
Oh,
po
yes,
kami.
yes, yes.